Shandong Hongxin Machinery Company Limited, established in 2005, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of log debarker, wood chipper, horizontal grinder, hammer mill, and wood pellet mill. We are located in Zhouping, Binzhou, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including CNC lathe, CNC milling machine, planer, drilling machine, sawing machine, CNC boring machine, balancing machine, and coiling machine. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 and CE certificates. Selling well in many cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Russia, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, India, Mexico, Uganda, France, Hungary, Cyprus, Sri Lanka. Based on our hard work and wonderful group spirit, we will promote and popularize our products in more countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Quality is the soul of enterprise, and that is what we have always done. We sincerely expect that we can have opportunity to cooperate with you.